Hello and welcome. In today's video, where I'll show you how to hide your profile photo on WhatsApp quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, tap on Privacy and Safety or simply Privacy, depending on your version. Then, tap on Profile Picture. Here, you can choose who can see your profile photo. Everyone, all WhatsApp users can see it. My contacts. My contacts accept. Nobody hides your profile photo from everyone. Simply select Nobody if you want to completely hide your profile photo, or choose My Contacts if you only want your saved contacts to see it, and tap the back arrow in the upper left corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.